Hello everybody, it's me Jeannette again. I'm very glad to see you today, and let's talk about modulations of lips. Did you already know that you are able to recover the volume of the lips by using it? You didn't, And the laser is able to clear up the contours of your lips and recovers the volume, as I already said. And the little side effect is that it takes off the wrinkles over the upper lips as well, just in case you have some little wrinkles. And therefore we do need three things. First of all, the patient, our expertise, and of course we do need a laser. Before we start, just have a look at the picture before. As you can see, these lips lose their contour and they become a bit smaller overall, and you already can recognize little small wrinkles on the upper lips. And now I will show you in my treatment how you can get rid of small lips by using the laser. We do start scanning the oral mucosa from the inside of the mouth. Duration time round about 8 to 10 minutes. The laser field is big, as you can see. It feels like little tingling sensations on the skin. We start on the left, then we turn over to the right side. And at last we do scan the lip red area from the outside. Okay, lips modulation is done. Just have a look at the pictures before and after the treatment. As you can see on the picture after treatment, the lips becomes voluminous, the contours are highlighted, the natural of the lips is preserved. The skin appears smoother. It looks like a refreshing. We work with light. As you could see, we use wavelengths to recover lips, and it's absolutely painless. It's only a little tingling sensation on the skin. The results are very nice, full lips. It is a refreshing for your lips. And so I hope I could inspire you this time as well. Check out our new website. I count on you. Let's talk about nice, beautiful lips. Das würde ich gerne nochmal machen. No? Before we start with the treatment, just have a close shot at the picture. Nein, das war... Ich habe meinen Text vergessen.